Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you some of my favorite body care essentials. We all take care of our skin so religiously, but when it comes to body care, we tend to ignore it. Well, I am quite lazy when it comes to body care, but even nowadays, I am doing everything to protect it, applying lotions and everything to take care of my body. So I thought of sharing with you some of my favorite body care products. So to know more about what all I got in store for you, without wasting any further time, let's just dive straight into the video. Let's start with basic, and the first product I have for you is a shower gel, and that is this Plum's Body Loving Shower Gel. This is in the variant Lychee Cuddle, and they have a lot of variants in this. Plum recently had their birthday sale, and I bought this pack of 5 shower gel, and it was a steal deal, and I couldn't keep my hands off it, so I thought of trying it. I already tried their Hawaiian Roomba shower gel in the sample size, and I also have a full size. The smell of this doesn't last for a long amount of time, but I think that is the case with most of the body washes. Even the Dove body wash I love using, the smell doesn't last long, but I am not complaining because this one is so nice. It smells very divinely and very fruity, and it makes your bathroom smell all fruity kind of thing. And I was very skeptical of using this variant because I'm not fond of lychee as a fruit, and I was like, what if I'm not able to like it or finish it? But I really like it. So if you're on the lookout for a good shower gel, or if you want to try products from Plum's Body Loving range, I will highly recommend you to try their shower gels out. I am pretty sure you will love them, and as you can see, I'm obsessed. Let's move on to some body scrubs, and the one product I have for you is this the Tribe Concept Body Cleanser. You can use it daily on your body, but I use it as a body scrub, so I use it twice a week like a scrub. And this is all natural product, okay? It doesn't contain any chemical or anything, and it is in a very powdery format, and it consists of all green gram, sandalwood, basil leaves, dried neem leaves, etc., like all natural products. And you have to mix it with some water and make it into a paste, and then apply it all over your body, scrub it, leave it on for 5 minutes, and then wash it with normal regular water. And I think this makes my skin so baby soft, like I'm not even kidding. Use it for yourself and you will feel the difference. This is very helpful in removing all the dead skin cells and making your skin feel all soft and everything, like what it actually claims it does, okay? And I'm really happy with this product. I'm so glad I got this. This one costs for 549 rupees for 250 gram of product, which I think is really great for an all natural product. Now this smells like Upton. The smell is quite strong, but it is really nice. So if you have the habit of applying Upton on Diwali, you will know how this smells like. So if you are looking for a good body scrub, all natural body scrub, do give this Tribe Concept body scrub a try. I will leave all the links in the description box below, along with some other options I really like. So this is the one product I really enjoy using. Let us talk about my favorite range of products, and that is this Nivea deodorants. This one is in the roll-on form, and this one is in the spray form, and both gives 48 hours protection. Now I'll talk about this one first. This one is my holy grail product, okay? I have finished so many bottles of this roll-on, I don't even remember. I have lost the count. And this is in the whitening variant, which I don't know why it is necessary. It's 2021, we can cut the whitening crap, but I think the pearl variant is also there, and it's also come in a sensitive variant. But I buy whatever it's available in the market, so we can, you know, not see this whitening part, because I'm not gonna talk about whitening on anything. But I really enjoy using this product. I think this is a really nice option for your underarms if you are have very sweaty underarms or anything. Now I use this when I have to head out and I know I will be having a long day, or if I have to work out on anything, I use this. And this one actually makes you smell really nice, okay? Even after all the workout or anything, this actually overpass the sweat smell. I have used it for myself. I'm not even exaggerating. Someone who have used this, you can easily tell you this. I am so happy with this product, and I don't think I'll stop purchasing it if I don't have in this. I know in my vanity I get so panicked. That's how much I love this one. Talking about the spray form, if you don't have time to apply the roller, or if you're in hurry, you can just use this spray form and push and you're done. I don't know why I did push. I think you all know how to apply a deodorant, but I'm mad like that. So yeah, talking about this deodorant, this is in the Fresh Comfort range. It comes in a lot of different variants, and I have not tried the other variants because I'm just too comfortable with this one, but I'm pretty sure they all smell really nicely. And this one does the same job as the roll-on. It keeps you smelling nice all day long, and I'm just so obsessed with this both. I don't know about the spray form, but the roll-on is definitely alcohol free. So if you want to try some good roll-ons or deo sprays in affordable range, make sure to give Nivea a try. I think they do a really commendable job at deos. You know what I tell you guys, when it comes to skincare, right? Please don't skip your sunscreen? Well, it also applies to body care. So the next product we are going to talk about is this Nivea SPF 30 body lotion. Now this video is no way sponsored by Nivea, it's just that they happen to have some really nice body care range, and this one is in SPF 30 but it also comes in SPF 50 form, but I was not able to get my hands on that, so I bought this. Now this is not your regular body lotion which you can apply daily. I don't use this regularly because it is quite heavy. I am anyways very lazy and all when it comes to body lotion, but I am currently on an emptying out spree and have lot of lotions to empty out which are not even mine, which are my parents, but I just want to make space in my vanity. So yeah, coming back to this product, this one is very thick and moisturizing, so when you apply it on your body it will feel very thick on your body, but once you spread it, it will just sink into your skin in no time, and it just have a teeny tiny bit of white cast, but it is adjustable. I don't think that is a problem for me. This one I use while I am traveling or I know I will be out for a long amount of time in scorching heat. I really like this product. If you want to try a nice body sunscreen in affordable range, give this Nivea sunscreen a try and try to get your hands on the SPF 50 variant because that is a high protection, but I'm pretty sure you will love it. The last product is also going to be a body lotion, and that is this Garnier Light Complete Serum in Lotion. Now this one consists of lemon essence and vitamin C, and it also comes with UV filters. For someone who is lazy when it comes to body lotion, talking about 2 is a big deal. Okay, now this one was an accidental buy. I was not planning to try it or buy it, but I happened to purchase it, and I was so surprised because this one is really nice. This one is very light on my skin, and this is a regular kind of lotion which you can apply if you don't suffer from dry skin 24/7 365 days a year. This one is really nice. I don't suffer from dry skin apart from winters when my body skin gets really dry, but I use this on a daily basis. Although in a pandemic I have not used it because I have not ventured out that much, and this one smells nice also. You can also apply this on your skin, but I don't prefer it because I have excessively oily skin, and this one gets quite heavy on my skin. I have just tried it once, a teeny tiny bit, and I didn't like the feel of this on my skin. This one is really affordable. It costs for 149 rupees for 125 ml of product, which I think is really nice, and the bottle is quite cute and handy. So if you want to try a good lightweight body lotion in affordable range, or if you want to try this Garnier Serum in Lotion and you were skeptical about this, do check this baby out. I really enjoy using this, and I'm pretty sure you will love this too. That are all the products I wanted you guys to know. If there are any other body care product which you think are nice and I should try out, leave them in the comments down below. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know which is your favorite products from this range if you have any, and I would love to know it. And if you're new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, hit that subscribe button and also click the bell icon for the notifications, and I will see you guys with a new topic in my next video. Bye.